Give me a 1. Give me a 2. Give me a 3. 4, 5. Give me a 6.
What's the damage on this side? Oh, he's just spreading it around so it looks even.
Thank you. Look at Auntie Mercury.
Oh, are you helping Mommy?
Yeah.
Straight into the wash. Hey kids, you see what I've got here? The letter T and the letter R. And you know what sound they make together? That's right. Rough. And now I'm going to get Oscar to help us think of some words that start with the rough sound. Should I knock at his chin?
JJ, what's going on?
Oh my goodness. Hey, what do you want? We want you to help us think of words that begin with the rough sound. Oh, you want me?
Oh, I like that pattern, Nikki.
You're right.
I do. I like that pattern a lot. That looks great.
That one or this one?
Oh, well, you know, he did a good job. Oh, I like that pattern. Oh, but the baby chart did so much work. I mean, he really tried hard on this. So I can't choose. I love them both.
Hey, wait a minute. Trash can begins with truck. Trash can. Thanks, Oscar. Yay! Wait a minute. What do you mean, thanks? Why?